Amstead, you're in the hole. All right, Judy. Find out how many hooks we have. Yeah, he's not afraid to put the pedal out the front. Well, looking down the track, we got a clear track, ladies and gentlemen. Green on both sides. It's struck full of time. That's up. My granddaddy. Winding up the covers, it's time to die. Stop. Remember that? I remember that. You weren't too happy about that last night. Let's see what happens tonight. The moves on the coming. Oh, this is really changing the engine. Checking down the line, making sure the coach is clear. We got a clear coach in. Trying to pull it down once again. Whoops. Class at GM. You guys got to come alive. You got to make sure this is going to happen. Where's my Chevrolet fans? Are you out here yet tonight? Are you with me? All right, City Band. Gonna bring Buddy down the track. We need your help. We need you to get out there and help us bring Buddy down the track. Are you ready? Go, Buddy, go. Go, Buddy, go. Sled. Diesel Supply, Twin Valley Equipment, Hillbrand Trucking, Quality Tile, Heritage Cooperative, and O'Reilly Auto Parts. On the starting line right now, first generation Dodge approved Dekalb. Here he comes, one running Ooh, I don't know. Come on, Chevy, man. Help me out. And the 2000 trying to get 207 and 5. Facebook. Who's on Facebook? Everybody? Not everybody is on Facebook anymore. If you like what this on this weekend, go on Facebook and post it if you would please. Go up and say what a great time you had. And the poll this weekend, the Dekalb Super Bowl. Go on truckpolls.com. Post on there what a great time you had. Once again, thanks to the Fair Board and all the parties involved to put this together. We certainly do thank each and every one of you, and of course, you fans as well. Been doing it on the van. We're glad you stuck out with us tonight. Here he comes, Terry Cotter, the 98 Dodge. Still trying to be 207 and 5. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we want to ask you, did you have a good time all weekend? Huh? Did everybody have fun? That's what counts. As long as you have a good time, we'll have a good time. We hope you come back and see us next year in 2011 Dekalb Super Bowl. Make sure you folks who know some of the Rebel County Fair Board members or county commissioners, let them know what a great goal we had, what a good time you had, and encourage them to have us back another year. Because if you had half as good a time as we did, you had one heck of a great time. Justin Senior, 1996 Dodge Ram, our final puller of the weekend. race. I'm going to try her again. I'm going to launch his old Dodge and see what happens. Not good, not good. Not going to happen.